Hello, you're on the Dr. No channel. Thank you very much for your activity and support. Let's start the review of events for December 14th. Australia is facing a critical situation as Tropical Cyclone Jasper, a Category 2 storm, struck the far north coast of Queensland at around 7 a.m. Coordinated Universal Time. With sustained winds near the center at 100 km/h and gusts up to 140 km/h, residents have been advised to take cover. The cyclone is slowly making landfall, bringing heavy rain and strong winds to the region. Currently located 110 kilometers from Cairns and 65 kilometers southeast of Cooktown, the storm has left over 17,000 homes and businesses without electricity. Approximately 100 people have sought refuge in evacuation centers, and an additional 120 people have requested assistance. There are also reports of heavy rains and melting snow causing floods and landslides in Switzerland. The affected regions received up to 100 liters of precipitation per square meter, leading to numerous incidents. Regional authorities are actively responding to the situation, aiming to prevent additional problems. The Indonesian volcano Merapi, located on Suma Island, erupted half a kilometer of ash just a week ago. The eruption led to the death of 2 climbers. The volcano, one of the most active on Sumatra, erupted around 6 o'clock in the morning local time. In Dart, France, severe flooding caused by heavy rains has resulted in significant damage to local communities and infrastructure. Rising water levels forced residents to evacuate, with emergency services working tirelessly to address flood-related issues. The situation remains critical, underscoring the need for ongoing support and solidarity for those affected by the destructive floods. As a result of a landslide following heavy rain in the Ingultram province, a 2-year-old woman and her 51-year-old son were found during search and rescue operations around 10 in the evening. In the same area, a second landslide occurred, injuring 20 people. After hospitalization, 15 people were discharged, and 5 are undergoing treatment. Recovery efforts are also in progress in the southeastern United States after at least 15 tornadoes struck the region. Clarksville, Tennessee, experienced a powerful EF3 tornado with maximum wind speeds of 241 km/h, resulting in 3 fatalities. Another EF2 tornado hit Madison, a suburb of Nashville, claiming 3 more lives. Hundreds of people received medical treatment in local hospitals, with over 60 seeking assistance for tornado-related injuries, according to the National Weather Service. Meanwhile, in Buenos Aires, a major fire near the Ministry of Labor on Avenida Alem has prompted a swift response from firefighters and medical personnel. Efforts are underway to rescue individuals trapped on upper floors, with more than 10 ambulances dispatched. Unfortunately, one fatality has been reported, and at least 43 people have been hospitalized following the midday blaze in downtown Buenos Aires. Tragically, during a football match in Brazil's Cup, a lightning strike resulted in the death of one player and injuries to 6 others. The incident occurred in the South State, and the victim was identified as 16-year-old Enrique Delia Goncalves, who played for UA Herons. He was hospitalized after losing consciousness due to a lightning strike on the field and later succumbed to his injuries. In another region, abnormal frosts gripped the capital of China. Beijing experienced cold weather due to a sudden drop in temperature, leading to the cancellation of classes in schools and the shift of businesses to a rotating work schedule. It is recommended for people with chronic heart and respiratory diseases to stay at home. Shifting to climate news, the Arctic experienced its warmest summer on record in 2023, with an average air temperature of +6 degrees Celsius. This marks the highest temperatures since observations began in 1900, indicating accelerated climate change in the region. Summer air temperatures at ground level were the highest ever recorded in the Arctic in 2023.